isn't raining. I'm in the greenhouse and sown some seeds, sown some chard. I did that last year, it was really good. Spare tomatoes, just popped them on. They're bush ones. They're the same as them bush ones, and there's some marigolds. This is all my dahlias from seed. They're going to flower. I'm sure dahlias flowered the second year when you've done them from seed, but no. First year. Spare these, I might put them outside after I've done the gala. It's my one aubergine plant. It's got spikes on. My peppers. Not chopping them this year. Pumpkins. Crown Prince pumpkins. And I got a white pumpkin. I think that's the orange pumpkin. And that's my butternut squash. So yeah, and these things, I've had them years. I just keep propagating from them. This one's going to flower. And what else? There's all my herbs I've done. Go from this side. See, like dill, parsley, thyme. Forgot what the rest were. Let's have a look what's in here. I potted on these Cape gooseberries. That's some pak choi that's just growing now. I've done some late courgettes. Only one of them's germinated out for free. That's another herb I've just done today. And that's one kale that came through. At least I got one. That's my one melon because it's got 8 rice slugs. Just potted on all these mixed head lettuce. That's some more. What's the matter? That's some more runner beans, but I don't think they're going to grow. And that's them flower things. We're stuck in the greenhouse, aren't we? Now wait for it to rain. I'm going to finish off these last seeds, and then we're going to go home. Oh, it's my little greenhouse too. Oh, they're lupins. Lupins in the bad compost. But I might put some I might do that now. Chuck some of the good compost on top for like a feed maybe. I don't even know if you can hear me with this rain. There we go. Have some good compost. When did I do them? 4th of March they were. I've got some outside in that little cold frame there. So yeah, I've just got to water these in, and then we'll go home once it stopped raining. It'd be nice just listening to the music. Just pop down. I've been trying to do little and often this year because I can't do much for long. But yeah, doing little and often, I've actually kept on top of a lot. I'm not where I want to be, but who is? The dog, he's just falling asleep, and then when it rains he wants to go out, but he doesn't like to go out at home when it rains. It's been nice listening to music, catching up with potting things on, even if they are potted on late. And these bush tomatoes, I'll show you a picture. These ones. I grew these last year, and from Morrison's it was from. I just got one like this from Morrison's, and I put it in my veg pod at home, and it took over the veg pod. So I've saved some seed, and then I'll show you a picture of what that looked like because it was massive. And I just put a phone here, and that. And last year one took up 2 of them. So I'll just see how it goes. And then yeah, they're going to go outside. Goodbye. Hope you're all having a lovely Saturday. Casper's looking at me like, get me home. You want to go home? We'll wait for it to stop raining. Say bye. Bye.